Under the class-wise notes, the first file will be by the name transportation.
It's not there.
Anubhav, Manasvi, have you got the file?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it is there, Yashwant, it means.
I'm opening the file.
Okay. Yashwant, under the resources, the folder name will be class-wise notes. In that class-wise note, the first file will be transportation in plants and animals.
All got it.
Okay. So start doing from question number 1 onwards, level 1. And then answers we need to discuss of those. Level 1, question number 1 to 10. And Anubhav, congrats.
Thank you, ma'am.
So what you're going to do with that?
Ma'am, my father will know about it.
He knows or no?
No, sir.
Okay, so yeah. So what was his reaction?
Ma'am, he was happy, ma'am.
Okay, great. So Varshit, this time you also need to perform well, okay, for the All India Test series. So I think you were not well, maybe because of that reason you did not attempt it also few tests also. So no problem. So again from the month of this February, we will be starting, and by the end of the month, again the rank 1, rank 2, rank 3 holders will be getting the cash prize.
Okay.
So Anubhav has got rank 2 and he has got the cash prize as well. Manasvi, you also register for the month of February. Okay, so it'll be like a kind of a great assessment for you and great help for you also for the future. Like you are interested for going for the bio, right? So different chapters will be there, and those chapters will be really helpful for you.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, Varshit completed.
Okay, Varshit, we'll wait for others also.
Ma'am, we have to do 1 to 10 or the whole level 1 question?
No, 1 to 10. First of all, do 1 to 10 so that we can have the discussion of the answers.
Okay. I think that whole level 1.
Okay, fine. Four shows will, first of all, complete with the 1 to 10.
Done, ma'am.
Now you all have completed it? Okay, so
Yes.
we'll start with the question number 1. Just let me share the screen.
Ma'am, is this a new topic?
Yeah, new topic. Yashwant, last week I think you were absent. So last week we are done with the explanation part of transportation.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Question number 1, Manasvi, go ahead.
Ma'am, which of the following statements is correct about blood platelets? Ma'am, D, they help in clotting the blood.
Correct. So, in the statement, they have said what is the function of the blood platelets. Basically, what they will be doing, they will be helping in clotting of blood. Varshit, question number 2.
Dash carry dash rich blood from heart to body organs. Select the correct option for 1 and 2. Ma'am, I think it's option C.
Correct. So, arteries carry the oxygen-rich blood from heart to body organs. Whereas, if I talk about the veins, what they will be doing, they will be carrying from body to the heart. Question number 3, Anubhav.
Yes, ma'am. Question number 3. The walls of arteries are. I have written option C.
Okay, is there any other answer? Any other child want to give? Manasvi,
Ma'am, is
Varshit,
it
Yashwant.
B, ma'am?
Ma'am, it's B, thick
Correct.
and plastic.
Correct. Others are correct. Anubhav, this time you are wrong. So basically, the walls of the arteries, they are thick as well as they are elastic.
Okay, ma'am.
Question number 4, Yashwant.
Pulmonary veins carry dash rich blood from dash. Ma'am, is it D?
No. Manasvi, according to you, what should be the answer for the fourth one?
Tell me.
Yes.
Ma'am, C.
Yeah. C is the correct answer. So pulmonary veins, they will be carrying the oxygen rich blood from lungs to heart. So usually when we talk about the veins, what do they carry? They carry the deoxygenated blood. But the only vein which carries the oxygenated blood is the pulmonary vein.
Ma'am, I got a doubt in the 8th question, ma'am.
Okay, I'll explain. Question number 5th, Manasvi.
The figure given below shows a balsam plant. After 1 day, D, the stem of balsam plant becomes red in color.
Correct. So what they have done is in the given balsam plant, they have added the red color ink. Now through the water, what happened? The water will be going up through the xylem cell, and that is how the color of the stem will be changing to the red color. So the correct option is D. Question number 6, Anubhav.
Yes, ma'am. Question number 6. Select the incorrect statement. I have written option D.
Correct. So we need to find out the incorrect statement by they have given you the fourth statement. A, arteries carry blood away from the heart, which is true. Veins carry towards the heart, true. The blood platelets will be stopping the blood by forming the clot, true. And the D1, blood in all the arteries is in blue color and it is carbon dioxide blood. So this is wrong. It is not the blue color. It is red in color, as well as they will be carrying the oxygen. Varshit, question number 7.
The clotting of blood is two. Ma'am, I think it's option C.
The clotting of blood is to seal the wounds and prevent the loss of blood. So when the clotting of the blood happens, what happens? The extra amount of the blood does not move out, and that wound will be getting covered up. Question number 8, Yashwant.
What happens if one of the kidneys of a person is removed from the body? Ma'am, it's option number B, ma'am. He will be remain normal.
Correct. So if we remove a kidney from a person, then what happens? If one kidney we are removing, then person will be like acting as a normal only. No problem will be there.
Ma'am, but if we remove two, then the urinal will stop.
Correct. So in that case, if the both the kidneys does not work properly, or if we remove it, in that case, the nitrogenous waste will not be removed out of the body. The urine will not be removed. The waste material will not be removed. In that case, the person has to go for the dialysis. Okay. In question number 9, Manasvi.
Dash transports dash in both upward and downward directions. Ma'am, it's A.
Dash transport dash in both upward and downward direction. It is D. Fine. It is not xylem. Xylem will not be transporting it to the downward. Basically, the food will be transported. So, with the help of the phloem, what the phloem they will be doing, they will be transporting the food basically in both the direction, upward direction also and the downward direction also. Whereas when we talk about the xylem, they will be taking only in the upward direction, not in the downward direction. Question number 10, Anubhav.
Yes, ma'am. The xylem and phloem in a plant make up a tissue called vascular tissue.
Correct. So vascular tissues are those tissues in which what will be present, xylem and phloem both will be present together. Or we can say that xylem and phloem together is called as the vascular tissue. Fine. Now start doing question number. Yashwant and Varshit need to turn on the video.
Ma'am, Varshit completed.
Okay, Varshit. Let others also to complete.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, Manasvi.
Ma'am, up to question number 20.
Yes, up to question number 20.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, so then we'll start now. I'll share the screen. Varshit, start question number 11.
Select the correct options for labels P, Q, and R in the given figure. Ma'am, I wrote option C.
Option C. No, it is option B. So the P1 are the ureter. You are saying C. Urethra is the down part, okay? The R is urethra, Q is urinary bladder, P is ureter. So option B is the correct one.
Okay, ma'am.
Manasvi, question number 12.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in this. I didn't understand this.
Okay, so in this question, the table illustrate organism and their waste product. So basically what they are saying, this is the name of the organism and what do they generate. So we have to write what kind of waste material they generate. Like for example, if I talk about humans, what do we generate? We generate the urine. We produce the urine. Same way, the different animals produces a different waste material. So we need to answer that. So which of the following option completes a given table? So bony fish will be producing the ammonia as a waste, and humans will be producing the urea or urine as a waste product. Fine. So, bony fishes, if I talk about bony fishes, then crocodile, hydra, they all what produce? They produce the ammonia as a waste. But we humans, camel, frogs, they produce the urea as a nitrogenous waste. Anubhav, question number 13.
Yes, ma'am. In question number 13, it is written that which of the following statement is incorrect. I have written option A.
Correct. So transport of materials in amoeba occurs through gills, which is wrong. It is not occurring through the gills, and basically transportation does not happen in a proper way in amoeba. They will be just doing the nutrition process, and with the help of the food vacuole, with the help of the vacuole, they will be releasing the waste material outside. Question number 14, Yashwant.
Okay. Wait. The main veins bring carbon dioxide rich blood from body parts to the dash arrhythmium. This arrhythmium pumps blood into the dash
Ventricle,
ventricle, which then pumps into the
pulmonary artery.
pulmonary artery. This artery takes the blood to dash for oxygen. Ma'am, I think it's B, ma'am.
It is?
B.
Okay. Yashwant is saying B. Manasvi, your answer?
Ma'am, same here. It's B.
D or B?
B.
Okay. Anubhav, your answer?
Ma'am, I have written option A.
Okay. Varshit, your answer?
Ma'am, I wrote option D.
Okay. So you all have written the different answer, but the correct answer is A. So what happens is the main veins bring carbon dioxide rich blood from body parts to the right atrium. Now, for example, like this, we have the human heart, right? This side we have right atrium. This side we have the right left atrium. Then here down we have right ventricle, and here we have left ventricle. Now what they are saying, the main veins will be bringing it to the where? To the right atrium. So to here it will be coming inside. This atrium pumps the blood into the right ventricle. They will be giving from right auricle where it goes to the right ventricle, which then pumps into the pulmonary artery. This right ventricle will be giving to the pulmonary artery. This artery takes the blood into dash for the oxygenation. So it goes to the lungs to become the oxygenated blood. Question number 15. To whom I have given the question number 14?
I think Yashwant.
Okay. Then question number 15. Anubhav, you start.
Okay, ma'am. In question number 15, the main organ of excretion in human body is dash. The filtering units in this organ are dash. Now, I have written option B, kidney nephrons.
Correct. So in the humans, the main excretory organ is the kidney, and in the filtration unit in the kidney is called as the nephrons. Okay. Question number 16, Manasvi.
Which of these is responsible for blood clotting? D. Platelets.
Correct. So blood clotting will be done with the help of the platelets. Varshit, question number 17.
Which one of the following is not a function of the stem of a plant? Ma'am, I wrote option D.
Correct. So the stem will be supporting the plant. The stem will be carrying the water and the minerals. The stem also carries the food from the leaves to the roots, but it does not produces the seeds. Seeds will not be produced by the stem. They will be produced by the flowers. Question number 18, Yashwant.
Blood cells that mainly functions to protect the body from diseases are, ma'am, I think it's ma'am, actually.
Option A? No. Varshit, according to you, what should be the answer?
Ma'am, option B.
Right. So basically, white blood cells, what they will be doing, they will be protecting us from the diseases. And that's the reason they are also called as the soldiers of the cells, because they protect us from the diseases. Okay. Question number 19, Anubhav.
Yes, ma'am. All animals need to dash materials to different parts of their body. This is the function of the dash system. This system consists of a liquid called dash, a pump called the dash, and a series of dash. I have written option A.
Okay. Correct. So A is the correct answer for it. Okay, Manasvi, question number 20.
Which of the following statement does not represent usual functions of roots in a plant? I wrote to store, sorry, ma'am, absorption of water and minerals from the soil.
No. What they have said that does not represent the function of the root. So, which is not the function of the root, we need to answer this. So, the correct answer is C. So, absorption of the water and minerals will be done by the roots only, right? So, that is the main function of the root, to absorb water and the minerals. Second one, they will be holding the plant, right? So, which is the correct answer. Whereas the third one, to take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen during photosynthesis, this will not be done by the roots. So, that is why the answer is the C. Now start doing question number 21 to 30.
Ma'am, I got for question number 21, ma'am.
21, you have doubt?
Yes, ma'am. So in
So
human,
what does
urine contains water. Is it all of these?
Yeah, all of these. Water will be there, urea will be there, the salt will be there, everything will be there in that.
Okay.
Ma'am, Varshit completed.
Okay, Varshit.
Ma'am, done.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
So I'll share the screen.
Ma'am, the only questions I didn't get the answer for is the 27th and the 30th.
Okay, fine. We'll be discussing then those questions. Okay, we'll start with question number 21. Varshit, start it.
Human urine contains, ma'am, I think option D.
Yeah, so human urine will have the water in it, which has the salt in it, as well as the urea. Question number 22, Anubhav.
Yes, ma'am. Question number 22 given below in the schematic diagram of blood circulation in the human body. Identify the labels P, Q, R, S and select the correct option. Ma'am, I have written option C.
22. The option B is the correct answer. So what they have said,
Ma'am?
the schema, yeah.
Ma'am, in this question, actually the R is supposed to be vena cave and S is supposed to be aorta, right?
You are talking about R and the S.
S.
No, actually, when you talk about this question here, what they are doing, they are starting with the angle P, right? So what is P according to you? It is pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein.
Pulmonary artery.
If it is pulmonary artery, what it should be? It should be the vena cava. So because pulmonary through the vena cava only what happened? It comes to the right atrium, then to the right ventricle, then to the pulmonary artery, right? So depending on the position, what they have asked, it becomes the answer of that. So if we talk about the answer is B.
Okay, ma'am.
So here the P is what? Pulmonary artery. So it is like through the vena cava. Then if I talk about the Q is pulmonary vein, which will be the aorta. Fine. Then the R is what? A kind of vein, and the S is kind of the artery. So that is why the S is what? The kind of aorta, and the R is the pulmonary. R is the vena cava.
Okay, ma'am.
Question number 23, Manasvi.
Which one of the following is not a function of transpiration? C.
Correct. So it causes the movement of water from the roots to the leaves, correct? And it causes the mineral to travel up, correct? It does not give green color because green color will be given by the chlorophyll. So which is not the function of
Chlorophyll.
transpiration. Question number 24, Yashwant.
Excessive waste is uric acid in. Ma'am, I wrote C, ma'am. Lizards and
Wait, 24 question number.
24, ma'am. Wait. Select the wait. Select the correct statement out of the following. Ma'am, I wrote wait. I wrote A, ma'am.
The answer is all of these. So all the statement given here are correct. So root hair, what they do, they will be increasing the surface area for the absorption of water and minerals. The root hairs, they will be present between the soil particles, as well as the root hairs, they absorb the water from the soil by the process of osmosis. So all these statements which are given here are correct. Okay. 25 question number, Varshit.
Excretory waste is uric acid in. Ma'am, I wrote option B.
No. Any other answer by any other child?
Option C.
Correct. So uric acid will be produced by the lizards and the birds, and which is also called as the ammonia. Fine. Question number 26, Anubhav.
Yes, ma'am. Question number 26. Select the incorrect statement out of the following. Now, I have written option C.
So basically from the urine, the sugar does not come out, only the salt come out in the form of the urine. So that is the reason this statement is wrong. Okay, Yashwant, question number 27.
Plummet has cells called dash that are placed one above the other to form long tubes through which food is transported. Ma'am, is it A, ma'am?
Yeah, it is A. So basically what happened, we have in the phloem, when we talk about the phloem has 4 types of it, which are the sieve tubes, companion cells. Then the third type is phloem parenchyma. And the last type of it is the phloem fibers. So these are the 4 different types of the phloem which are present, basically, which are helping the phloem to work on. So when we talk about the sieve tubes, are placed one above the other. So like this, one above the other, they are placed. And because since they are present one above the other, what happened? It becomes easy to transport the food from each other. So that is why the answer will be the sieve tube. So phloem has 4 types of it: sieve tubes, companion cell, phloem parenchyma, and phloem fibers. Question number 28, Manasvi.
Arteries, ma'am, B, all of these.
In the case of the arteries, are they bringing the blood to the heart? Or they are taking it away from the heart?
Ma'am, taking it away from the heart.
Right? So here it is wrong, right? B statement is wrong. C is also wrong. They are not superficially situated. Superficially means somewhere above they are situated. No, right? They are present somewhere like at the center of the heart. So the answer is what? The A. They are thick walled vessels with narrow lumen. Question number 29, Anubhav.
Ma'am, I didn't do this question.
Okay, let me explain you question number 29. Which of the following is a mismatched pair? So when we talk about this, so which is not matching in a correct way. So pulmonary artery, what they do? They will be carrying the CO2 rich blood. Pulmonary vein, they will be carrying the O2 rich blood. Is it true or wrong? Both the statements.
Ma'am, I think it is option C.
So always, as I told you, arteries will be carrying oxygenated blood. But the only artery which carries a deoxygenated blood is what? Pulmonary artery. That is why the answer A is correct. So here it is written pulmonary artery, they carries the CO2. CO2 means deoxygenated blood. Now coming to the pulmonary vein, all the veins will be carrying the deoxygenated blood except pulmonary vein which carries the oxygenated blood. So hence the B answer is also correct. Now coming to the C1, capillaries. Capillaries are not the thick blood vessels, they are the very thin blood vessels. Okay, thinnest or very thin blood vessels they are. And the last one, veins, they will have the thin walled vessels, which is again a correct fine option. So the mismatched pair is the capillaries,
Option C.
thickest blood vessels. C. Right. Varshit, question number 30.
The process of transportation of sugars through phylum is in a plant is called. Ma'am, I didn't done the question.
Okay, the process of transportation of sugar through phloem in a plant is called as translocation. So when we talk about translocation, let me just show you tell you few lines about it. When we talk about the translocation, what happens? We know very well. Like we will have a plant. In the leaf, the food will be produced, right? Now, food has been produced in the leaf here. It has to go down actually, because down in the stem also it has to go. It has to go to the roots also, so that they can use it. Now, how they can go? They go down by the process called as the translocation. So the movement of food from leaves to the other parts of the body is called as the translocation. And always the translocation will be the downward movement, because in the phloem both the things will happen, from down to up also, from up to down also. But if the food moves down, in that case only it is known as the translocation. If it is moving up, then it is known as the transportation. Fine. If it is moving normally in from down to up, it is known as transportation. But if in case the food moves from up to down, in that case it is called as the translocation. So both are like very different words. In the case of translocation, the food will go down, and in the case of the transportation, the food will go up. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So any doubt, children,
No.
with this level 1 questions? Manasvi, Anubhav, Yashwant, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
And this week, Sunday, Manasvi, you have not done the Sunday test?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Is there any reason, particular reason for it?
Ma'am, we were actually out.
Okay, okay. But you were aware of the test, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Varshit and Yashwant also have not submitted, but make sure, like, since I can understand you were not well, both of you, but coming Sunday, I hope you all will be doing it, the objective test, right? And the topic for coming Sunday is the transportation. So, coming Wednesday and Thursday, Wednesday we will be completing with the level 2, and Thursday we will be doing the subjective part of it. So that in the Sunday test, we will be giving you the subjective part of the transportation chapter. Fine. And if in case you have any doubt anytime related to any other chapter also, do ask, do clarify it through the WhatsApp. All right, message me. I'll be sending you maybe the audio, or maybe in the form of message. So whatever is convenient, I'll be answering your doubts and all. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. Then.
Ma'am, I have a doubt about the All India Test Series.
Yeah, tell me, Anubhav.
Ma'am, the test will start from this Sunday or next week Sunday?
No, this Sunday. Already I have posted the syllabus also for the coming Sunday.
Okay, ma'am, I will
Fine.
see.
Now from this coming Sunday onwards, a fresh thing we are going to start. So January month, everything is being cleared now. So whosoever
Yes,
has got the rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, they are given the cash prize. Now again from this 4th of Feb, I guess, we will be starting marking, giving marks to the children, so that at last
yes,
we will be getting the final result for rank 1, rank 2, and rank 3.
yes, ma'am. Okay.
And then Anubhav, in the month of March, 24th March, you might have seen on the WhatsApp right now. I think before some,
Yes,
hour
ma'am.
and all, I have
Yes,
sent that. So do register
final.
for that also, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Varshit, same goes for you. Ask your father to register, all 3 of you.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine, Manasvi. Manasvi, do register for the February month, first of all. It is like
Yes.
50 rupees. Register for it, and it is like very useful. Like maybe this time rank 1, rank 2, rank 3 you will be getting. So January month, Anubhav has got rank 2. Rank 1 was some other child from some other from my location actually. They have got rank 1, and rank 3 was some other child again. Fine. I just want you all to get rank 1, rank 2, rank 3. So whatever the cash is there, we should give it to you only, rather than giving to some other person. All right.
Okay.
So immediately after the class, ask your parents to do that, and Manasvi, you have to join it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children.
Okay,
Bye.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you so much.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.